Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be installing the front bumper on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. With us today we have Isaias to help us. So let's get started. I'm out to watch you. When starting off, make sure you have everything with slip solution, and we're gonna align the PPF to the edge of the body. For the next step, once you have that one side tacked down, you're gonna go to the other side and stretch into position. That is done, move on to the other side and tack down that side of the fog light. Continue moving from one side to the other until you meet in the middle. All right, that concludes the installation, the PPF installation for the front bumper. Just remember to make some cutout holes for your license plate. And other than that, thank you for watching.